cricket champion, the pride of a nation, a man in charge of a nuclear power. And the higher he climbed, the more ruthless his enemies became. Islamabad, Pakistan 2018. Imran Khan has been elected Prime Minister. He promises justice, reform, a new dawn for millions. He launched health programs, expanding cancer hospitals, introduced social welfare initiatives, and pushed for anti-corruption laws to protect the vulnerable. But as he challenged the elites and old political dynasties, enemies emerged in the shadows, waiting to strike. Accusations followed: corruption, misuse of state gifts, land scandals. The promise of power became the weight of betrayal. In 2023, he was detained. By 2025, a 14-year sentence. The hero reduced to a prisoner. But millions refused to stay silent. Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad. The streets roared for his release. The state struck back hard. Tear gas, raids, arrests, silence. But the movement only grew louder, making international headlines. He currently still sits in jail. But to millions, the real crime was the injustice done to him. This is Imran Khan,